Hey guys, today we did some maintenance on the shark.
All right, so we have Auntie Shark here, and she says it's not working very well.
And we found a part that there's a little piece stuck in the wheels.
Yeah.
So
the wheel isn't working.
Yeah, I forgot which wheel it is.
All right, so Wyatt's going to try to take off the wheel and see what we can find inside.
I think I need a flashlight.
Okay. Keep up, past one.
Okay. What? This one doesn't work. Yes, it does. Not working. Seriously?
The blue one's working.
Yeah. Can we both work with it? Well, none of these screws are fitting in here. Oh.
Alright, my horse.
These. Wait, can you move? These are the wrong ones. These
You
are.
need a different screwdriver?
Yeah, look.
Okay. All right, so we finally located the right kind of screwdriver. And Wyatt is working on taking off the wheels.
Because something is stuck in here and this wheel won't get down all the way.
Mommy, here I go.
So we're fixing it.
Is it hard?
We got it.
We're coloring it. We're coloring.
It's coloring dinosaurs.
This one doesn't have a screw.
Where is it called a dinosaur? Where is it called dinosaur? Where is it called a dinosaur? Your turn. Okay, your turn. Like Daddy.
All right, what did you find in there, Wyatt?
Whatever it's called.
Well, that looks like a dryer sheet. All right, that looks like the problem, right?
Yep. It goes perfect.
Okay,
This is what I
Fixed it.
you fixed it. Let's see if we can put all those screws back in and get it working again, okay? Good job, buddy.